Born Catherine Middleton, Catherine is the wife of Prince William, the Prince of Wales. She was born on the 9th of January 1982 in Reading, England. She is the eldest of 3 children, born to Michael Middleton and Carol Goldsmith. Her siblings are Pippa and James. From 1984 to 1986, the family lived in Jordan, where her father worked for British Airways. She attended an English nursery school in Amman. In 1986, the family returned to Berkshire, and she attended St Andrew's School and then Marlborough College. After finishing school, Catherine took a gap year and studied at the British Institute in Florence, volunteered in Chile with Rally International, crewed on round-the-world challenge boats. In 2001, Catherine enrolled at the University of St Andrews in Scotland. It was there that Catherine met Prince William. They became friends and then flatmates. A few years later, their relationship blossomed into romance. After graduating in 2005, Catherine worked for her family's business, Party Pieces, and later launched her own brand within the company in 2008 called First Birthdays. She also worked as a part-time buyer for Jigsaw Jr. In 2007, Catherine and William split up briefly, but got back together soon afterwards. In October 2010, Prince William proposed to Catherine with his mother's engagement ring, while on holiday in Kenya. Their engagement was publicly announced on the 16th of November 2010, and they were wed on the 29th of April 2011 at Westminster Abbey. The couple were granted the titles of Duke and Duchess of Cambridge, Earl and Countess of Strathearn, and Baron and Lady Carrickfergus. From then on, Catherine started working for the royal family, going on public engagements. In late 2012, Catherine became pregnant and suffered from hyperemesis gravidarum. Her first pregnancy was announced much earlier than had been intended, in December 2012, after she was admitted to hospital. During each of her pregnancies, Catherine would suffer from hyperemesis gravidarum. On the 22nd of July 2013, Catherine gave birth to her first son, George. In 2015, she gave birth to her only daughter, Charlotte, and in 2018, her second son, Louis, was born. Following their wedding, the couple moved into a small cottage in Wales, near RAF Valley, where William was stationed with the RAF Search and Rescue Force. They also lived in Nottingham Cottage, Kensington Palace and Anmer Hall. In 2022, the couple moved to Adelaide Cottage on the grounds of Windsor Castle. On the 8th of September 2022, Queen Elizabeth II passed away, and Catherine's father-in-law became King Charles III. He bestowed the title of Prince of Wales on William, and Catherine took the feminine style. In May 2023, Catherine and her family attended the coronation, and William took on a role in the ceremony. Catherine has been involved with numerous charities and organisations, such as Action on Addiction, Sports Aid, and the 1851 Trust. In recent years, Catherine has launched a campaign aimed at raising awareness about the importance of early childhood development. Born Rachel Meghan Markle on the 4th of August 1981 in the United States, Meghan is the daughter of Thomas Markle, a cinematographer and lighting director, and Doria Ragland, a clinical therapist and yoga instructor. Meghan has 2 older half-siblings, Samantha and Thomas. Meghan grew up and was educated at private schools in LA. She graduated from Northwestern University in 2003 with a double major in theatre and international relations. Meghan was surrounded by the entertainment industry growing up. She got her first acting job on Married with Children in 1995. She had a number of small roles in television shows and in film that did not pay well. To support herself, she took on freelance calligraphy jobs. Starting in 2011, she appeared on Suits as Rachel Zane. That same year, she married her longtime boyfriend, Trevor Engelson, a film and television producer. They divorced in 2013. In mid-2016, Meghan Markle began a relationship with Prince Harry, the second son of the then Prince of Wales and a grandson of Queen Elizabeth II of the United Kingdom. First connecting on Instagram and eventually being set up on a date by a mutual friend. For a number of months, their relationship remained a secret. But in November 2016, their relationship was made public by the press. Harry's communications secretary released a statement on their behalf to express personal concern about the prejudiced and false comments made about Meghan in the media. In 2016, Meghan became the global ambassador for World Vision Canada and worked with the UN entity for gender equality and the empowerment of women as an advocate. In March 2017, Meghan finished filming the 7th season of Suits and announced that she was ready to be done with acting. The couple made their first public appearance together at the Invictus Games in September 2017. In November 2017, their engagement was announced, which was met with mixed reactions. On the 16th of May 2018, they exchanged private vows in their garden in the presence of the Archbishop of Canterbury, and 3 days later they were publicly wed at St. George's Chapel. They were given the title of Duke and Duchess of Sussex by the Queen. In preparation for the wedding, Meghan was baptised and confirmed into the Church of England on the 6th of March 2018. Harry and Meghan lived at Nottingham Cottage and then moved to Frogmore Cottage, which was refurbished by the Crown Estate. The Prince reimbursed the expenses to pay for some of the rent. On the 6th of May 2019, the couple's son Archie was born. Their second child, Lilibet, was born on the 4th of June 2021. During Meghan's first pregnancy, she suffered from depression and suicidal ideation. In 2020, Meghan suffered a miscarriage. Meghan performed a number of public engagements on behalf of the Queen. In January 2020, Meghan and Harry stepped back from their roles as senior members of the royal family due to intense media scrutiny. They had wanted to have a half-in, half-out approach, free to support their own initiatives and represent the Queen as needed, but the royal family refused to allow this, telling them it was all in or all out. They chose to be all out, and as a result, they were cut off financially and told not to use the HRH styles. Their private security was also cut off. That same year, the couple moved to Canada, initially before settling in the United States. They signed deals with Spotify and Netflix to produce and host their own programs. In 2021 and 2022, Prince Harry's grandparents passed away, and Harry returned to the United Kingdom to attend their funerals. Meghan did not attend Prince Philip's funeral, as it was during the pandemic and she was pregnant. She did attend the Queen's funeral. In 2023, she chose not to attend the coronation. Meghan lives in the United States with her husband and their 2 children.